Ryder, what are we doing right now?
Getting some food.
Some food from where?
Yeah, and we're getting shuffling.
Do you know where we're going today, Ryder?
Yep, to the cocoa shop.
After we go there, where are we going after?
It's really cold out here. Aquarium. It's toad.
And what's in an aquarium?
But first,
Add some dance.
okay, what are you getting?
A pie piece.
Which pie?
They don't have your mini pies though. You don't eat big pies.
Mince and cheese.
Mince and cheese.
Yeah.
Maybe just mince.
Ryder, what'd you get from the lunch bar?
A chocolate milk and a sausage roll.
A sausage roll? That's your mom's.
Nah.
No, it
He
isn't.
got a sausage roll because he doesn't eat the big pies. He only eats the small ones. So I got him a sausage roll. Sausage roll.
Sausage roll.
No, sausage roll.
And I got a pie
With
and a
cheese
coffee.
and coconuts.
Mine doesn't have cheese in it. Actually, mine does.
And coconuts.
Coconuts? No coconuts. Mine's a bacon and cheese pie.
Yeah.
What?
So minced bacon and cheese.
No, no mince
Oh,
in
just
it.
bacon and cheese. I was gonna say,
Yeah.
ew. You okay back there, Ryder?
Say hi, Ryder. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Ryder, say hi. What are you writing? Cool. It's actually moving.
That's a big drop. Oh, you can feel it moving if you're on the very edge.
Really?
If you're up here, you can't feel it as much. When you're like right here, you can
Oh, it is moving. That is so weird. It's moving. Come on, Ryder. It's moving. You gotta keep walking or else we're gonna get sick. Do you see any? Careful. Look at how cute. Did you see them, Ryder? Oh, look, 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 it's coming.
Oh, no, those two are racing.
Oh my gosh.
What? They look so fun.
That one's very big. Jumpy.
They're so cute. Go in here. Where's Ryder?
He's going, I'm not standing on the same island.
Hello. Oh my goodness. No, Ryder, don't do that.
What?
Look at he's looking at you.
What?
Do you see him looking at you?
That's what you meant by that. Look at the walk.
He's winning.
This one. This one's very curious.
Oh my gosh, look, he's saying hi, Ryder. You wanna go look over there?
One's nodding too.
Hello.
Chilling. He's a Gento, right?
Yeah, these are Ginty.
There one comes.
Look at, there he goes.
He's looking at me. Hello.
What do you think? Thumbs up? It's gonna be cold.
It's like extreme light. You can see the ice poking out.
Is it cold? Here.
Try, yeah, try.
You try.
I'm scared. hot restaurant. I'm weak to the cold.
Oh, that's freezing up.
Okay, no more. Ryder, you check. Or Jono, you check.
It's really cold. Can I try? It's not that cold, I mean.
I can't keep it in for 30 minutes.
Oh my
God.
30 seconds.
Maybe 30 seconds.
I did it for like 10 and I was like, nah, this is too annoying.
That's pretty cool. Ryder, come get your paper.
Did I do it for like 10 or something?
You did it for like almost 20.
Oh. I had to stop because I was like,
It's a giant squid.
that's pretty cool.
It was huge.
What is that supposed to be like a tentacle?
Oh yeah.
It's like sticky and then it has like a spine.
Ryder. What is that?
A giant octopus.
It's a squid. Look it. There's its eyeball right there. Where you guys live, this is where we're at. Can you find where I live, Jono? No.
Wait, you live in America.
I live in America, so look at the whole map. I'll give you a hint. It's somewhere over here.
It's not Africa. That's not Africa. It's like, no. That's it, it's not here. It's like over here.
It's in here.
Oh, okay. And that doesn't make a difference, you know, not that bad. Ew. Hi. See the giant orange thing? That's a giant spider crab. Ew, look at the spider crab. That is creepy.
Brought by that truck out to Loveton, which is the harbor tug, and then the tug came out, lowered the stretcher down and released her, and then our team and
this whole journey they've been there's welfare benefits being in that sort of process. We hope that can then swing up a lot of
the red ones are over here. See, look.
might be better off in a different environment.
Jellyfish, the red ones or the blue ones? The red ones?
He's so nice.
What is the name of this animal?
A tuatara.
Tuatara. Well, that's cool. You want to do some coloring? Create your masterpiece is easy. Ready to scan. Place paper and tray. Scan. Oh, I think you can upload your fish into the aquarium, Ryder. Do you want to paint one?
Huh?
Look, watch. Watch. I think if you put this in here. Wait. When you press scanning. Look. Look on the screen. It's the fish. It's the drawing of the fish.
Where's one?
Isn't that cool? Do you want to do your own? What color am I going to color it? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe some yellow.
I need yellow.
I'm going to do a yellow tail. Oh, maybe I can try to make it like sunset. Jono, you don't want to do one?
No, I'm fine.
Why not?
I don't know. I'm not a drawer, and I want to see how yours turn out.
Let's see. Is there orange in here, Ryder? I have a red. I'm going to try to do a sunset. Is that orange? He'll be a Rasta fish.
A what?
A Rasta fish.
R-A-S-T-A?
Like Rastafari, man.
I don't know what that is. This reminds me of a Mexican fish.
Mexican.
Mexican or Jamaican?
Yeah.
That's my tail. That's that guy done. His tail is
Your,
Right, you're gonna go over it.
your fish is Rasta too.
What's that?
Rasta, man.
I need to use this Jono. What are you doing?
Welcome to the Jamaican
What
bobsled
did-
team.
what
I'm
did-
fixing that. I'm just
Okay,
fixing that.
mine's done. Is yours almost done?
You could say that.
Okay, let's test. We're gonna test my fish.
What size?
So you put it in the scanner, and it scans it. And then if you watch the screen, there's my fish!
It's a Jamaican fish.
My Jamaican fish man. Oh, this is so cool. Do you want to put it in the scanner? Yep. Okay, put it in the scanner carefully.
What
And
just
then
happened to yours?
you put it in the scanner.
Like
Okay,
this.
look at the screen.
Let's see what my one was.
Oh, there it goes. Wow. Look at all your colors.
My one's, oh, my dog is so big. I like that dog. He's so cute.
Isn't he cute? So Jono is so smart. What did you just figure out?
I figured out every time you draw, oh, there's Ryder. Every time you draw a fish, it's in this giant one.
That's my fish. Oh, that's so cute.
There's your fish, Ryder.
How fun.
Did my fish disappear? There's my fish. That's so cool.
I have some very big questions about this fish, but it's kind of cool.
Maybe this is how the fish come. Puts you down there. There's my fish.
Choking on it, which is very, very sad. Another thing of England that I said is climate change. Cool little info for you. So, when turtles are still in their shells, the surrounding temperature of those eggs actually determines whether they're male or female. So, if the temperature is warmer, males feed more than males. Now, this becomes a problem when there are only females getting born. There's no males.
Yeah.
Keep doing this. Pick up your rubbish wherever you can, especially when you're at the beach. If you leave your rubbish at the beach, it can get swept in by the
I
tides.
know, they're cute.
Dolphins,
Look at this one's coming for you,
seabirds, all
Jono.
these animals try to think they're food, they go and eat it and they end up choking like sea turtles do. It's very bad. Make sure you can donate to organisations if you can. Try to when you can. There's
Look at all the Nemos.
They made Finding Nemo 100 times harder.
I know, Finding Nemo. Which one's Nemo? There's Dory. Oh, it's so cool.
I like this one.
Dory will not stop swimming.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. This one's just licking at us. I'm kind of confused what it's trying to do.
You can sign it.
Yeah, it looks like human. It looks like it had human teeth.
Here. Do you want to tell them what I'm signing?
Not quite. I don't exactly know how to explain it.
So it's for mass fishing.
Yeah.
So they don't do mass fishing anymore.
I thought bottom trawling was when you like pick up all the fish that live in the bottom that accidentally get swept up when you're like trying to catch
and
lobsters.
it ruins up all the coral. I'm not
Yeah,
going to
what
put my
makes
phone. Let's see. Yay, did a good deed today. Go stand in that. Holy crap.
It's like one row in the front and like three.
Yeah, that is scary. What do you think that is? What is it? A big shark mouth? Look at that. It's the megalodon. The megalodon was more than twice the size of a great white shark. This is how big the megalodon's mouth is. So Luca, if you're watching this, this is what you would look like in the megalodon's mouth.
Yeah, I was about to say, it's taking through his stomach. I'm creepy.
There's some things you just don't want to know. It's like having a starfish vomiting its stomach out and eating things.
So
That's why they have
I'm gonna touch it.
I kind of, but kind of weird.
I know. Are there any more in here? Oh, there's one in there.
It's like not puffed up properly.
It's so big.
Oh, I did mine.
Look at the stingray.
I think it might have puffed up like a little bit ago. It's not puffed up yet, which is surprising.
Oh, look, they're feeding them. Yeah, they're feeding the turtles. Look at. That is so.
Look, a baby stingray. Look, a turtle. Look,
Yeah.
baby stingray.
Look at. That's so cool. Jono, what do you think?
About that.
Yeah, about the turtle.
That's cute. What is all the little particles in here? So the flesh.
Ooh.
Oh, there's There's so much cooler when they're not in the murky water. Oh wow!
Oh, that stingray's huge. Jono, look right there.
Oh yeah.
Look, walk up a little bit, Jono.
I can't tell if it's a black tip or not though.
I know.
Oh, we have a friend.
Oh my god. It's so big.
Oh, we have another.
Ryder, what is that guy doing?
The sharks.
I know.
Brave,
Walk
Oh,
up
we
a
can
little.
stand off the platform.
Oh, looking on this side too, Ryder. Look, they're cleaning the tank. That's pretty cool, huh, Ryder?
The shark.
A treasure box, yeah, Ryder. What do you think's in the treasure box?
I don't know, maybe treasure.
Treasure.
Looks like a grandma with down.
I know.
Look at this one. Look at it. So cute. It's a yellow eel. Behind the box. It's a yellow eel.
Behind the box.
Yeah. Right behind it. Serious?
Wow.
Wait, you see it? Right behind the box.
Pretty cool.
It's like right behind this.